Hello guys, maybe I already shown you, but I go to Korea and Japan, Tokyo, and I buy 2 Lego sets, which are the Porsche 911 and a from Tokyo, and one is the Bugatti centodieci. It's from Korea right now. I buy it. So I already got home very long time ago to Portugal from other part of the world, and I got this. Yeah, that's my backpack. But if you see inside, I actually have 2 Speed Champion sets. So first is this Lego centodieci, which I show. Hello, so this is the speed build of one of my cars right now. It's the Bugatti centodieci. Let's go. Oh hey, so it's step 33. You know what I see? They put this here. They put this and they close it. You see this thing? What's happening? We are closing it. Unfortunately, I deleted some videos, not on purpose, but I finished it. So here's the left. It's like this. It rolls very good, and there's a brighter here without a helmet, which is very strange.